In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make text bigger on Notion. Whether you're hoping to emphasize a key point, improve readability, or simply customize your workspace, making text larger can be a helpful tool in your Notion toolkit. So let's dive right in. First, you'll start from your Notion homepage. This is where you can see an overview of all your workspaces and pages. From here, you'll choose the specific workspace where you want to adjust the text size. Click on that workspace to open it up. It's essential to be clear about the workspace you're working in, as Notion organizes content by these categories, making it efficient for you to manage and find information. Once you've navigated to the desired workspace, identify and highlight the text you want to make bigger. Simply click and drag your cursor across the text to select it. This action will trigger a pop-up menu to appear, offering several formatting options. In this menu, you're going to look for an option labeled Text. Hovering your mouse over it will reveal additional options, but don't worry if it feels like a lot of choices. We're focusing on increasing the text size today. Next, you'll have the choice to select between different heading sizes: Heading 1, Heading 2, and Heading 3. Each of these corresponds to a different level of text size, with Heading 1 being the largest, Heading 2 a bit smaller, and Heading 3 the smallest of the three options. Select the appropriate heading size that best fits the need of your document or page. This adjustment helps to structure your document visually, making it more readable and organized. Now, if you ever need to revert your changes or try another size, simply highlight the text once more and follow the same steps to select a new heading size. Keep in mind, text customization is a powerful way to make important information stand out and to convey a clear and professional-looking document in Notion. And there you have it, a straightforward way to make text larger in your Notion workspace. Using headings effectively not only enhances the appearance of your notes and documents, but also aids in communication, especially if you're collaborating with a team. With these easy-to-follow steps, you should be able to adjust your text size to better capture the essence of your work or simply make it more functional for your reading experience. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, make sure to subscribe for more tutorials or leave a comment below if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in the future. Until next time, happy Notioning!